Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in the past 3 weeks or thereabouts, Windows 11 has been announced. There have been a lot of articles and a lot of videos about it. People have been giving their thoughts on it. People have been saying things about it. So in this video, I'm here to share my thoughts on Windows 11 generally, and also talk about something that might not be so great about Windows 11. Now, I know many people may not agree with me on this, but I love the design of Windows 11. I know many people have expressed their dislike concerning the new position of the start menu and the icons on the taskbar, but personally I feel like it's a very great change to the Windows 11 outlook, and even the start menu, the refreshed icons on the file explorer, everything new. I just personally love it. And even if you don't love the centered start menu and icons, there's always an option to change it back to the generic left hand side position. Some features that I'm eager to get my hands on when Windows 11 finally releases to the public is the Android app emulator, where you can run Android apps on your computer. Based on how Microsoft described it and all other videos that I've watched, it's quite a long process to set it up. You would have to sign into something on Amazon, then you have to connect your Microsoft accounts to it, because the Android apps aren't on the store, they are on Amazon, I think, app library or their app store. So with everything that I've said, all the features that I love about Windows 11, and me just wanting to have it for myself and test it out, fact is that myself and many other people in the world would not be able to run Windows 11. In fact, if your PC is more than 3 years old, there is a very high chance that it won't be able to run Windows 11. And the reason for this is the system requirements of Windows 11. So on Microsoft's official website, the main requirements for Windows 11 are 1 GHz processor with 2 or more cores, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, a DirectX 12 graphics card, and internet connection, just to name a few. Now, all of these requirements that I've mentioned are very common in PCs today, but the one requirement that would hinder people from upgrading to the latest version of Windows is the TPM module 2.0, and that module isn't very common with computers that are about 3 years old or more. So the TPM module 2.0 is just a chip or a piece of hardware that performs cryptographic operations relating to security, like generating keys, authenticating devices, and other security related tasks. Like I said earlier, this chip is not very common in most PCs today, and Microsoft is very strict with this requirement that even a PC that meets all other requirements but that one will still be flagged as incompatible with Windows 11. But why is Microsoft making this such a big requirement, such that you may not be able to install Windows 11 on a 2021 PC? Well, Windows 10 has had a long history of being targeted by malware and hackers and viruses. And since this is Microsoft's first operating system upgrade since 2015, they don't just want it to be another operating system. They want it to be an operating system that is recognized for more significant things than just refreshed designs and apps. Of course, Microsoft has received a lot of backlash concerning this, and it's just crazy to think that a lot of people in the world won't be able to upgrade to the latest version of Windows just because of a tiny chip. And the way that they would be able to upgrade is by changing the internals of the entire PC, or just buying a new PC altogether. No official change has been made, but it's likely that Microsoft would reduce the strictness of that requirement, or at the very least make it a recommended requirement, so that people can be given access to the new operating system. So with that, I'm going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments what you think about Windows 11 and also about this whole requirements thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.